Hi, I'm Scott. We're here at the Wollongong Botanic Garden Nursery, the engine room for the city's Verge garden projects. My advice would be to pick a mixture of grasses, herbaceous and low-growing shrubs. This will not only create interest through a variety of colours and textures, it will also encourage a wide range of wildlife to your verge. Weeping grass is a great lawn alternative. It only reaches 30 centimetres in height, provides great habitat for frogs and small lizards, and the seed is a food source for birds. A moist part shade position is preferred, although it does tolerate full sun. Scaevola species, also known as fan flowers, are spreading herbs up to 50 centimetres in height. Purple and mauve flowering forms are available, and it does prefer full sun. This plant is Hibbertia Scandens. If it has something to climb up, it will, but golden guinea flower is a great addition to the verge, displaying glossy green leaves and large yellow attractive flowers, full sun to part shade. Native pigface is a prostrate perennial, ideal for coastal locations. Insects are attracted to its showy pink flowers. It's perfect for use on steep embankments, and the fruits are also edible. It does prefer good drainage in full sun. Ratepayers can source these plants at our regular Greenplan sale days. Details can be found on the Wollongong Botanic Garden website. For more tips on creating your own wonderful verge, come visit Wollongong Botanic Garden. We have a large variety of examples to get you started.